Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360 tutorial. In this tutorial, let us just try out to make this simple object inside Fusion 360. The dimensions are given. The length is 100, the width becomes 40, and we will extrude it up to 20 mm. So let's just try out to make this part. Open your Fusion 360, click on Create Sketch, choose this horizontal plane, go for the corner rectangle, and draw a rectangle like this. Go for dimension. This becomes 100 and the width becomes 40. Hit enter and finish the sketch. Just right click and the region and go for press pull. Define the height 20 and hit OK. See? Now we will create a cutout of 8 mm. For this, I'll choose this face and go for Create Sketch. Draw a rectangle like this and go for dimension. The distance becomes 12 and 12 from that side. So if you come over here, I will draw a dimension from here till here. This becomes 12, and from here till here, from this line it becomes 12, and let me zoom this becomes 8. And I'll just finish the sketch, home this, select the region, say press pull, and drag it in this direction, and make sure you select the cut, and I will hit OK. Next, what we can do, we will go and then we will add this portion. For that, I'll choose this top plane, go for sketch. Before going to that, we are going to add some of the center lines like this, and again go for a center line like this, and then go for a center rectangle and a center rectangle like this, and now go for dimension. See, the width becomes 20 and the height becomes 24. So go for this and define this one, which becomes 20, and I'll just finish the sketch. And now I'll just go for extrude, select the regions that you want to be extruded, and define the height 24, and this time I will select 24. Next, I will choose this face, sketch on it, and go for a circle like this. And if you go for finish sketch, then I'll go for extrude, and I'll just extrude this region, and this time I'll just drag it up like this, and I'll just hit OK. See? Next, we will create the cutouts. For that, I'll select this face, sketch on it, and go for circle. Draw a circle somewhere here. Make sure both of the circles are concentric. It's fine. And define the dimension. And the diameter of this hole is 24. As radius given, which is 12. Sorry, it gets some larger, and I'll say 24, and I'll finish the sketch. I'll go for extrude and cut. Again, create these two holes of diameter 12. For that, I'll choose this face and add two circles, like this, and define diameter 12. This one always 12, and look at this top surface. And then what I can do is you need to define another dimension from here till here. This is good. And from here this becomes 20, and from here till here this is also good. Next I will go for the cutout, and I will create a cut like this. Finally, we need to do one thing, and we would like to add some rounds of 6 mm. For that, click on round, choose this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Define 6, and I will hit OK. Go for appearance. Make sure to select bodies and click on fillet and draw this mirror. See, this is really amazing. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you're first time of my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.